Hello, my name is Stephen Osterloh. I'm the Vice President of Marketing for Ennis, and I want to thank you for your time today listening to me talk about Enfusion, our branded line of integrated cards, labels, and magnets. So why should you be using integrated products? As other print continues to decrease, integrated is increasing at about a 10% rate each year. And while other print is a commodity product in most of our customers' offices, integrated products are sold based on their quality and delivery over price. And often, these are sold at a higher profit margin for you, our customer. So what are some of the selling points of Enfusion, or in this case, an integrated label in general? One of the features is you can print the label and the document together, which saves time. You don't have to print the label and the document, marry them together. You can print them all at one time. You have no separate label printer. It eliminates the equipment. You don't have that equipment investment at your customer's office. There's no matching required. It reduces mistakes. You, again, don't have that one product being produced over here, one product being produced over here, and trying to marry those two together. They're printed at the same time. There's no matching required. A return label can be pre-printed. In case of using this as a shipping document, a return label can be included, which allows for accurate returns of goods for your customers. And lastly, when it comes to chain of custody, it allows you to track the sample, and it's tamper evident as well. Another advantage of using Enfusion over one of the other integrated suppliers out in the market is we have the Enfusion Sales Kit. The Enfusion Sales Kit is chock full of samples, ideas, vertical market information, links to non-branded websites, non-branded marketing materials for you to use when you're selling to your customer. Some of the samples we have available in the Enfusion Sales Kits are medical drug testing or chain of custody forms. Direct mail, if you're selling to a mail order company, their outgoing UPS, their packing slip, their return documents. Again, more direct mail, healthcare, all those different types of vertical markets. One of the other big benefits of the Enfusion Sales Kits is that we actually include our quote form. Our quote form is a checklist to allow you to sit down either with your customer or with the sample they've given you, go through and actually answer certain questions so you don't have to guess what we need to know to be able to accurately quote your product. We give you a simple checklist, you go through the checklist, check everything off, fill out the documents, send this into our manufacturing location, and we'll be able to give you an accurate quote. Last but not least is we do have a non-branded website, www.enfusion.net. That non-branded website shows you about the construction of integrated products, how they're used, and this is an easy product that you can actually turn around, email to your customer, allow them to see the benefits and those types of things from integrated products. So the next question is, who should you be selling to? One thing you do is look at our Enfusion Sales Kit and look at the back of this form. And on the back of the form, it gives you 6 different vertical markets that you could be selling to immediately, as well as giving you the different ideas of products that you could be selling them. Then look at this vertical market sheet and see, do any of your current customers fit that profile? And then also look at, once you have a better idea of Enfusion products and how they're used, and integrated products and how they're used in the marketplace, see if there's any fits for your customers. It's all about focusing on efficiency versus cost of the product. You want to focus on how you're going to save your customer time, eliminate equipment, reduce mistakes, get more accurate return of goods, track samples, be tamper evident, all the benefits that we talked about earlier with integrated products. And if you need samples, do not hesitate to call the manufacturing location closest to you or call the 800 number for Enfusion. Is because we can get you samples that are relevant to your customers, so you're not walking in with a product that isn't relevant to their industry, isn't relevant to their use. We can give you market-specific, customer-specific forms that will allow them to see visually how it can be used in their office. Another reason to trust Enfusion is you get the Ennis promise. The Ennis promise is that we're going to provide you the support, technical knowledge, and product samples to help you sell this product to your customers. We have knowledgeable sales staff throughout the country at each of our Enfusion plants to help you spec a product, get a quote, work on material specs, all of those types of things that are necessary for someone that may not know as much about an integrated product. We're there to help. We also have a national sales team that can even go on a customer sales call with you if it's something that you need help with. We also have an 800 number and an email address that you don't have to call each of our locations or email each of our locations to get the best product at the best location to fit your customer needs. You have one number, one email address, you can send in a request or make a phone call in. We'll actually do the work on the backside and make sure you get the best solution for your customer. In closing, I want to talk about the capabilities that separate Enfusion from the other integrated suppliers in our industry. The number one differentiator for us is our flexibility. We have nationwide coverage, so we have a facility close to you. We offer all the different manufacturing types and all the different types of products that Integrated has to offer: cards, labels, magnets. We offer run lengths from short run to long run, from no color to high color, 4-color process over 4-color process. We offer, most importantly, competitive pricing. Let us put our experience to work for you by calling the Enfusion hotline at 800-572-5196. Thank you very much.